We got a bit of a flood going on back here. This little old riverbed we live in, you know, down in the BYU, that bayou, 985, Louisiana. Been raining about the past 2 days. Starting to flood up. Nice little trip around the house. Pretty damn cold out here. I'm running around in fucking shorts. Oh man. Got them Christmas lights set up. LED. On my truck. And the driveway. A little flooded. That thing right there is about 2 feet deep. And I got something in my shoe. It's water. Ain't that funny? That's the neighbor's yard. Two lots flooded out. You got that custom mailbox, you know. Gotta do it. Thug life. I had my keys on me, I'd turn the truck on. But I don't. Doors are locked. Well, that's it for now.